Good morning, guys. I'm so glad to see you all again. Are you guys excited to see your teacher? Guys, give me a thumbs up if you're all excited. Guys, let me see your hands. Where's your hands, guy? Chris, where's your hands? Okay, all right. Okay, so we all excited about our lesson today, about seeing your teachers. And Jordan and Nathan, I noticed that you got your book this time ready. That's a very, very good learning behaviors. So thank you so much for being ready with your book this time. Keep it up, okay? Aisha, I noticed that you got your new drawing on the photo over there. Did you draw yourself, Aisha?
Yes.
Okay, is that the picture of the house and your family?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's a very nice picture. Do you mind showing that to the whole class? Okay. Mia, did you like her painting?
Yes, I do.
All right, babe. That's actually a very nice picture, Asia. Thank you so much for showing your work. All right, guys. I also noticed one more thing about our class today, which is you guys all have a very, very nice outfits, which is perfect for our lesson because today we're going to learn about fashion. Okay? Today we're not just only students, guys. We're going to be fashion reporters, which means that we're going to design about our clothes and also tell the world about our design using describing words in a sentence. And I believe that each and every one of you will be able to write a great sentence today using the describing words and clothing words that we've learned in the last couple of weeks. Okay, you guys already. Okay, but one more thing, guys. So to be a good fashion reporters, I know that you guys will have a lot of ideas to share or maybe questions to ask. So we have to follow one specific rule, which is raising your hand if you need to share your ideas with your class, or maybe if you have any questions, please put your hands up to show me that you want to do so, and I'll let you do it, okay? Wait until I let you do it, okay? We understand? So give me a thumbs up if you all understood about that. All good, all good. Thank you so much for putting your hands up, guys. Okay, have a look at the toolkit already provided to you guys on the table. Okay, so each and every one of you already have one of these toolkits on the table. So have a look at that, and we're going to do a very quick checking if you guys remember all of the words, okay? So the first part of the toolkit is the clothing words. Okay, the first part. Give me a thumbs up if you all remember all of these words, all of the clothing words that we've learned for the last couple of weeks. Give me a thumbs up if you all remember. Give me a middle thumb if you're still thinking about it. Great, fantastic. I can see a lot of fantastic fashion reporters today. What about the second part, guy? Thumbs up if you remember, middle thumb if you're not sure. I'll let you know in a second. And remember, guys, it's okay if you not remember the words, because that's how you learn. That's how your brain gets smarter. You know, you learn something new, you might forget it, and then you relearn it again. That will make you remember longer and better, okay? So middle thumb if you're not sure about it, and I'll come and help you in a second. Okay, guys. So I can see that you guys all ready for our lesson today, because as you all remember it. But if you forget, guys, feel free to ask me, all right? I'll let you know. Sorry, no big deal. Okay, guys, so today we're going to have a very important mission. Okay, who knows? Okay, maybe I'm just gonna tell you. So today we're going to do a lot of drawing and writing, okay, which is good. So the task of today's lesson would be you're going to pick any words of the clothing words, okay? Anything you want to design, pick one of those, just one only. And then in the second part, which is the describing words, you're only gonna pick one adjective, one describing words to tell the word about your designs, okay? So only pick two, okay? One of the clothing, one of the describing words. Okay. And after that, you're gonna draw your designs, and you will finish by using the sentence to tell the word about your design. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick example here to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, so let's have a look at the toolkit. I want to design a shirt. Okay, and my shirt should be blue. So the next step is I'm gonna draw a shirt and I'll color it blue. And then I'm gonna use a sentence. So we got those two structures here. I'm going to pick this is a as my structure because shirt is what, guy? Shirt is
Singular.
singular. That's correct. So it's singular. So we use this is a, and the next blank, the two blanks. The next blanks would be an adjective. So my adjective would be blue. I'm gonna write blue here. And then my last one will be a clothing word, which is shirt. So I would have the sentence of this is a blue shirt. Okay. Okay, you guys all have it? Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you all understood. Okay, I can see some of the middle thumb if you're not sure about that. Okay, so this time I want to do it one more time, but I want a volunteer. I want one of the fashion reporters to help me finish this test. So Mia, would you be able to help me in this test?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm have a look at your toolkit. Okay, I'm going to design a dress. I'll pick a dress. So what describing words should I use for the dress?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so you like the color pink. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna draw a dress and I'll color it pink. And what is the next step, Mia? Using the
Singular.
the sentence.
Sentence.
Okay, so using the sentence to tell the word about your dress. Okay, that's correct. So you're gonna use this is a what, Mia?
Pink dress.
Pink dress. That's correct. Pink in the front and dress. Okay, so pink dress because pink is an adjective and dress is a noun. So pink in front of it, right? Okay, guys. So give me a thumbs up again if you all understood what we're going to do. Give me a thumbs up, guys. All good. Okay. So this test, you guys will going to have 7 minutes, all right? I'll come and check in 7 minutes, all right? Okay, let's go, guys. So we only, one more time, I'll remember, I will remind you guys about the step, all right? So we have 4 steps only. First, pick the clothing words. Second, pick the describing words. Number 3 is, start drawing about your design. And the last one, the number 4 step would be using the sentence to tell the word about your design. Okay, let's go, guys. So, pause for a second, guys. So, it's already been 2 minutes, so give me a thumbs up if you already picked your describing words and the clothing words. Give me a thumbs up, guy. Middle thumb if you're still thinking. I'll come and help you in a second. Okay, so Chris, you still thinking? You still thinking? Have you got your clothing words yet? So you wanna, okay, so I can see that you wanna design a pant. So what describing words would you use for that, Chris?
Long.
Long, okay, very good. So you have to make sure that the pant are long, okay? Okay, I'll come and help you when you finish your drawing, okay? So, Aisha, okay, I noticed that you pick long for your skirt. That's a very specific describing words for your design. That's a very good one, Aisha. So keep it up, all right? I'll come when you finish your sentence, all right? Nathan and Jordan, thank you so much for being focused this time. So this time you're very dedicated to your task, huh? Okay, I can see that you draw a shirt. Also blue. Okay, so a blue shirt as well. Thank you so much. So keep it up, yeah? Okay, so pause for a second one more time, guys. I noticed that some of our reporters are putting an adjective behind the nouns, which what we try not to do, okay? Because we have to put an adjective before the nouns, which means the describing words has to be in the front of the noun. So have a look at the sentence here. So the color pink represent an adjective. So it's always in the front, remember? So always put an adjective in front of the noun. Okay, so make sure that you don't make that mistake, huh? Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for being engaged in activities today. I really appreciate it, guys. You guys all focused.